Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily add multiple accounts on your Telegram application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Telegram application, click on the three dots at the top left corner. Then go to settings. In the settings, again click on three dots at the top right corner. Click on log out and at the top, click on add another account. And now you can simply enter your phone number you can't rename and simply click on next. Make sure that you have not crossed the limit of number of accounts in a Telegram application. It is 3, so up to 3 accounts you will be able to log in a particular mobile device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.